Hey my beautiful people, how are you guys doing? In today's video, I will be making pepper shrimp. If you are wondering, this is not super spicy. You can make it extra spicy or not too spicy. You already know I'm excited. Let's get started right now. I will be blending habanero peppers, garlic, onion, and bell peppers and set it aside. You can use yellow onion or white onion. If you don't know, yellow onion is used for roast, soup, and stews. White onion is used for salsa and stir fry. You know I had to fry some plantain. Are you a plantain lover? I love plantain. You know what I haven't had in a while? Some kili willy with some ginger added. So good. I would devein the shrimp and clean it after. You don't have to open the shrimp like this, it's optional. Be careful, don't cut yourself. The next time I make this, I will also use lobster. I think that would be so good. I added a little oil to the pot before adding the peppers, onion, and garlic. I added some seasoning and spices. I am also adding 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. I will let this cook for 5 to 10 minutes. I am adding 1 cup of water. I will let this cook for another 5 to 10 minutes on medium heat before adding the shrimp. After adding the shrimp, I will let this cook till the liquid has been evaporated. I added a little cilantro, it's optional. I will have the shrimp with jasmine rice and of course plantain. I can easily remove the shrimp from the shell. I also love chewing on the shell to get that flavor. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.